Croeso I coleg.
Welcome to the college.
My name is Tiggy and I'm your Student Union President.
My name's Niamh and I'm your Vice President Welfare. And we're here to talk to you about your first couple of weeks at the college.
Your first day is Monday the 23rd of September and you'll arrive at college at 9:30 a.m. Then you'll have a talk from the principal, the directors of music and drama, and me.
After that, there'll be some tours around the building where you'll get to know the spaces you'll be learning. We'll also have our freshers fair in our foyer spaces where you can see the clubs and societies and get to know any casual work opportunities within the college. Once you have your registration checklist, you'll be able to see your schedule for the whole term.
And if you've submitted your ID photo, you can collect your pass from the Bute Theatre.
During your first week, you'll be launching straight into classes, getting to know all your tutors, and you'll get to know the college's digital platforms, Moodle and Azimuth, and you can learn how we all collaborate with each other here.
You'll also have a chance to meet your course tutors, fellow students, staff, and some alumni.
If you're moving into the halls of residence, we'll be there to meet you on your first day. We're going to pack goodie bags which have information on living in Cardiff, being a student, and also different information on being in the college. They also have some special treats to make you excited to join us.
During Freshers Fortnight, the Student Union will be hosting a variety of ticketed and non-ticketed events for all students. This includes Bavarian Night, Wine and Cheese, Salsa Night, and events specifically for postgrad and mature students. You'll also have opportunities to get to know Cardiff with events such as club nights and an IKEA trip.
My favourite SU event is going to be the Ceilidh, because it's always really good fun to get to know people you've never met before and be forced to be in an uncomfortable situation, but have a great time.
I'm most excited for the Salsa Night because it's a new thing we've never done before and it's a great chance for everyone to get to know each other in a fun way. It's going to be a really busy week and we're so excited. Some advice is to push yourself out of your comfort zone, but also don't feel pressured to go to everything, as there are so many events to suit everyone's likes and dislikes.
Just remember, everyone's in the same boat. All of us have been a fresher at one point, even the staff. So please don't be afraid to talk to us about any concerns or any advice you want from us.
We can't wait to see you soon and meet you all in person.
And get to know you over the Freshers Fortnight at all of our events we have to offer.